First, we are asked to find Ronald's initial investment in this unit trust. We use the formula S equals to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, to the power of n, where S is the future value of and P is the principal, I is the interest rate per period, and n is the number of periods. I equals to K over M, so I is 1 over 240. N equals to M times T, so N is 60. So 7,000, the equation would be 7,000 equals to P, open bracket, 1 plus 1 over 240, close bracket, to the power of 60. Solving this with shift solve, we find that P equals to 5,454 ringgit 44 cents. For question 1B, we are asked to calculate the maturity value of each unit trust investment and the total maturity value by the end of 2032. For KST, we will use the formula S equals to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, to the power of n, where P is the principal, which is 6,500 ringgit, I is the interest rate per period, 0.055 over 2 equals to 0.0275. N is the number of compounding in periods. 7 times 2 equals to 14. Now substitute into the formula S equals to 6,500 ringgit, open bracket, plus 1 plus 0.0275, close bracket, to the power of 14. It would equal to 9,502 ringgit 96 cents. So the maturity value of the KST investment after 7 years is 9,502 ringgit 96 cents. For WMS, we will use the same formula where P is the principal, which is 6,500 ringgit, I equals to 0.05 over 12 equals to 1 over 240. N equals to 7 times 12 equals to 84. Substitute into the formula S equals to 6,500, open bracket, 1 plus 1 over 240, close bracket, to the power of 84 would equal to 9,217 ringgit 23 cents. So the maturity value of the WMS investment after 7 years is 9,217 ringgit 23 cents. To find the total maturity value of Ronald's investment, we add both amounts, which is 9,502 ringgit 96 cents plus 9,217 ringgit 23 cents. It would equal to 18,720 ringgit 19 cents. Therefore, the total maturity value after 7 years is 18,720 ringgit 19 cents.
So, among these unit trust funds, KST Equity Funds offers a better deal than WMS Conservative Funds because KST Equity Funds offers a higher interest rate of 5.5% compared to WMS Conservative Fund that is 5%. With this higher nominal interest rate offered by KST and the effect of semi-annual compounding, it's proven that KST Equity Funds offers a better deal which yields a higher effective return compared to monthly compounding at a lower rate offered by WMS Conservative Funds. The first investment interest, which is on 2020 until 2025, the final value is 7,000 ringgit and the initial investment is 5,454 ringgit and 44 cents. Using the formula I equal to NR minus A, we're going to do is 7,000 minus 5,454 ringgit and 54 cents equal to 1,545 ringgit and 56 cents. The second investment interest, which is 2025 until 2032, after adding 6,000 ringgit into the same fund. So the total of fund is RM 13,000 and the maturity value is 18,720 ringgit and 22 cents and 20 cents. Calculate using the same formula just now. With these two investment interest figure we add them up, and 1,545 and 56 cents plus 5,720 ringgit and 20 cents equal to 7,265 ringgit and 76 cents. So the total interest earned from this investment from 2020 and 2032 is RM 7,265 ringgit and 76 cents.
For question A, we were asked to calculate total accumulated amount of the fund after 18 years. P is the principal, P equal to 12,000, K is the annual interest rate, K equal to 0.0455, M is the compounded quarterly, M equal to 4, T T is total time, T equal to 18. I is interest rate per period, I equal to 91 over 800, 8000. N is the number of compounding periods, N equal to 4 times 18 equal to 72. Using the formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power of N, substitute into the formula S equal to 12,000 bracket 1 plus 91 over 8,000 bracket power of 72 equal is 27,093.22. Substitute into the formula S equal to 12,000 bracket 1 plus 91 over 8,000 bracket power of 72. The total is 27,093 ringgit and 22 cents. So S equal to 27,093 ringgit and 22 cents. For question B, we are asked to calculate how much Nur Aminah can withdraw every 3 months from the account while she is in college for 4 years. We use the annuity formula A equal R open bracket 1 negative open bracket 1 plus I close bracket over negative N over I close bracket. Substitute into the formula R open bracket 1 minus open bracket plus 91 over 8,000 close bracket power of negative 16 over 91 over 8,000 close bracket equal to 1,861 ringgit 68 cents. So R is 1,861 ringgit 68 cents.
For question C, 1 Roman, down payment equal to 0.1, open bracket 60,000, close bracket equal 6,000. So the balance is 54,000, which is the result of 60,000 minus 6,000. K equals 0.0345, M equal 12, T equal 9, I equal 0.00275, and N equal 108. We use the formula A equal R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of negative N over I close bracket. Substitute into the formula 54,000 equal R. Open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.02875 close bracket power of minus 108 over 0.02875 close bracket equal to 582.35 cents. So we are gonna calculate the total amount of interest. The formula is 1 equal NR minus A. Substitute into the formula 108 open bracket 582 ringgit 35 cents close bracket minus 54,000 equal 8,893 ringgit 80 cents. The total interest charged by the bank is 8,893 ringgit 80 cents. For question C2 Roman, she missed her first 3 payments. So on the 4th payment, she must pay the amount of these 3 missed payments plus 4th month's payment. N equal 3 plus amount on her 4th payment equal 4. S4 equal 582.35 open bracket 1 plus 0.002875 close bracket the power of 4 minus 1 over 0.002875 close bracket equal to 2,339 ringgit 46 cents. For question C3 Roman, after paying for 7 years, Nur Aminah wants to settle the loan in full. We are asked to determine the amount to be paid and the total interest charged. The first step is the loan timeline. The loan was set for 108 months equal to 9 years, and the checkup is happening at month 84. So 108 months minus with 84 months equal to 24 months. So 2 years of payment are left. We use the formula A equal R open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of negative N over I close bracket. Substitute into the formula A equal open bracket 582.35 close bracket open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.002875 close bracket the power of negative 24 over 0.002875 close bracket equal to 13,486 ringgit 40 cents. So we are going to calculate the total amount of interest. The formula is 1 equal NR minus A. Substitute into the formula 1 equal open bracket 84 close bracket open bracket 582.35 close bracket plus 13,486.40 minus 34,000 equal 8,403 ringgit 18 cents.